Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's Friday video, I will be making some lemon pepper wings and I think some sweet plantain fries to go along with it. I'll see how the day goes. So I've got my wings here. I've got my seasoning. I will link all the measurements in the description box, but if you've seen my other videos, you'll see what I normally put on my wings. I've got some lemon pepper. If lemon pepper is not available where you are, I'm just going to show you a quick way to make your own lemon pepper. So I've got 2 lemon. I've just washed these. Just going to zest 2 lemons. Okay, that is clearly taking too long. When you're zesting lemon, try not to get the rind in, or else whatever you're making will be bitter. So you just want the yellow bits from the lemon. So that's about 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I've got an attachment here from my IQ. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. Just going to roughly grind these. So that's the peppercorns ground. And then I'm going to add the lemon zest. So I'm going to put this back in the Ninja and grind it. So that's our ground up peppercorns and lemon zest. So I'm just going to add sea salt. Just going to put this on to ground. That's our lemon pepper done. It smells so strong, guys. So I'm just going to put this on a sheet to dry. There you have it. A homemade lemon pepper recipe. I'm going to leave that to dry. Just going to season the wings. So I'm going to mix all my seasoning together. I'm going to add some lemon pepper. So I've just added 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. I'm going to mix this together. As usual, I'm going to leave back 1 tablespoon. Just going to season the wings with the remaining mixture. I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of green seasoning. Mix this together. That's our chicken seasoned. So I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap, put it in the fridge to marinate, and I'll be back when it's time to fry these up. So I will see you guys later on in the next clip. To go along with the lemon pepper wings, I'm going to be making some sweet plantain fries. So you cut off both sides, slit it down the middle. I am using ripe plantains, but the one that's closer to the green side instead of the super ripe one that normally has a speckled skin. Because these are firmer, they'll be much better to cut. Got some salted cold water in a bowl. We're just going to cut these up. So I cut it in half, then cut it long ways in 3. Then just going to cut it into our fry strips, so like that. Just gonna let them sit in this salted water just for a bit. Just gonna separate them as well. I've lined the baking sheet with some paper towel. Just going to put these flat to dry off while the oil is heating up. Just going to dry these off from the top as well. Set that to one side. Got our chicken here. Just going to set up the station to flour our chicken. Before we fry the plantain fries, we'll just bread the chicken. So I've got half a cup of corn flour or cornstarch. I'll use half a cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour. That makes 1 cup of flour. I've got our seasoning from the chicken, so I'm going to use some for the flour and leave the remaining for the lemon pepper glaze. I did make some lemon pepper seasoning and I put it in a spice grinder, grind it up, and that's my lemon pepper. Our chicken is breaded. Just going to clean up and then we'll get ready to start frying up the ripe plantain. So I will see you back in the next clip. We're just going to get ready to fry up our plantain. I'm going to fry these in 2 batches because they won't all be able to fit. Just want to fry these until they're golden brown. So these are our ripe plantain fries. They look lovely. Just going to put our wings in. If you've watched my other chicken videos, you see that I always fry my chicken on low for the first half and then with the cover on and then crisp them up. So we're going to fry these with the cover on for 5 minutes and then I will see you back in 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes since our wings have been frying with the cover. Let's see how they're doing. Crisping up lovely. I'm going to fry them for another 5 minutes. got some paper towel here. That's our wings, nice and crispy. I need to make the glaze for the lemon pepper wings. I've got 3 tablespoons of butter. This is Flora, it's dairy free. Just gonna melt that up. Got my leftover seasoning from the chicken and the seasoned flour, and I've added half a teaspoon of my homemade lemon pepper. Got 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of honey. I'll link all the measurements in the description box. That's bubbling up nicely. Just gonna let that cook for about 2 minutes. Okay, so that looks good now. So now it's just time to go and brush our chicken with this glaze. That's our chicken. Just gonna brush our chicken with the lemon pepper glaze. Pile up our chicken. That's a lemon pepper glaze in the middle. Just gonna build up around it. So this is my take on lemon pepper wings. I've got my sweet plantain fries and my lemon pepper wings with my lemon pepper glaze. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know if you've tried my lemon pepper recipe or these wings or these sweet plantain fries in the comments. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on your notification bell. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!